I'd always romanticized solo hiking, the idea of just me, my thoughts, and whatever nature decides to throw at me. But I'd never actually done it. Always a group, always someone else setting the pace. That day in Kenya, I finally went alone. The Oloolua Nature Trail, dense paths, a waterfall, a cave the Mau Mau once hid in, and a bamboo grove so quiet it felt borrowed from a different world. At some point, I got lost. No signal, no guide, just instinct. And somehow, I found my way back. I don't know if that says something about the trail or something about me, but it became one of my favorite memories from the entire trip.
Hello. Enoch, right?